Hi everyone, and welcome to this delightful crochet tutorial. Today we're creating a charming coaster, a perfect little project to keep your table safe from spills while adding a touch of handmade beauty to your home. It's also a lovely gift idea. Whether you're just starting out or a crochet pro, you're in the right place. I'll guide you every step of the way. You've got this. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Let's jump in. For round 1, we'll begin with a magic ring. Work 8 repeats of a double crochet followed by a chain 1. That's double crochet, chain 1, 8 times. You'll end up with 8 double crochets and 8 chain spaces. Fantastic work. You're off to a brilliant start. Tip: leave the magic ring loose until you finish this round for easier stitching. Next, for round 2, slip stitch into the first chain space to move forward. Then, in each of the 8 chain spaces, work 3 double crochets, that's 3 double crochets, repeated 8 times. You'll have 24 double crochets by the end. You're building this coaster beautifully. Great job. Tip: keep your tension consistent to ensure a flat, even round. For round 3, start with a single crochet in the first stitch. Then, in the next stitch, work a slip stitch, chain 9, and another slip stitch into the same spot. Next, do 2 single crochets, then repeat slip stitch, chain 9, slip stitch, in the next stitch 7 more times. Finish with a single crochet. Those loops are looking perfect. You're doing wonderfully. Tip: count your chains out loud to keep them at 9 each time. Moving to round 4, we're adding increases. Begin with a double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by chain 3. Then, repeat 2 double crochet increases, chain 3, 7 more times, and end with 1 more double crochet increase. You'll have 8 sets total. This is shaping up so nicely, you're crushing it. Tip: use a stitch marker to track your first increase. Moving to round 4, we're adding increases. Begin with a double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by chain 3. Then, repeat 2 double crochet increases, chain 3, 7 more times, and end with 1 more double crochet increase. You'll have 8 sets total. This is shaping up so nicely, you're crushing it. Tip: use a stitch marker to track your first increase. And there you have it. Your gorgeous crochet coaster is finished. Doesn't it look amazing? I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. If you had fun with this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your coasters with me. I love to see how yours turned out. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep on hooking!